Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. In this video, I'm going to explain about built-in path modules. Already we have seen how to implement local modules. Now we are going to see about the built-in modules one by one. First, we are going to see about the path modules. So first, I'm going to clear the terminal and close it. Here I'm going to get the variable and require. So first I'm going to import node paths. Here I'm going to get the directory name and file name. So for that, console.log __ directory name, another console log. Instead of directory name, provide file name. Now open the terminal and provide the command node index. Now you can see the path of the directory name, and here you can see the path name. Next, I'm going to get the base name, which means final name. So the directory base name is node, file base name is index.js. Console.log path.base name. Inside I'm going to provide directory name. The same way I'm going to provide for file name. So let's comment this directory and file. Now again node index. You can see first we have get the path. Next we are getting only the base name. Next we are going to get only the extensions of the file name and directory name. So here comment it console.log path.extension name and provide directory name. Same way replace the directory name with file name. Again run node index. Here you can see for file name we have .jsx. For node we have no extension, that's why here it has empty space. Next I'm going to get the parse value of the file name. So first let me clear the terminal. Next comment this one console.log path.parse. Again directory name. Run node index. So we have get the all the values in an object, right? Root folders name, directory name, base name, extension and normal name. Next I'm going to convert this into format. Console.log parse.format. Inside I'm going to provide the parse value. So here clear the terminal, run again. So paths we have given in wrong way. So run again. So first you got the parse value. Now Here you have converted the pass value into normal directory name, of file name, the path which we have mentioned. Next, we are going to check the path is absolute path or relative. For this, I am going to provide comment console.log path dot is absolute. Here directory name, clear terminal, run again. It is absolute path only. Next, we are going to see about the join method and resolve method. So here console.log path dot join folder 1 comma comma 3 2. So if I am going to provide, you can see folder 1 slash folder 3 folder 3. So if I am going to change here to clear, you can see folder 1 folder 2 folder 3. In second case, if we are going to add slash like this, it will add the slash here also. In third case, if we are giving double slash and run, you can see it will not affect here if you give double slash also. Next, in case I am giving double dot slash, so it will point one step back from the current directory. So if we run means, here you can see it exit the folder 2 and present inside the folder 1. So this is how it will happen. So next I'm going to explain about the resolve method. So first let me copy those values, comment it, so resolve. Now clear the terminal, run again. So here you can see for folder it have added the current file directory and these folders we mentioned for first one. For second one, if we provide slash, then it does not add the directory name, only these folders. In second one, if we provide double slash here, so it will consider it as a root folder. In resolve, if we provide double slash here, it will consider as a root folder. So here we have root folder, and this double dot will indicate go outside this folder. So the folder 3 become the root folder. So this is how the built-in path method will work. This is the basic overview. Next, we are going to see the quiz. Please mention some of the path methods in the comment section and explain their uses. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates on time.